G'day guys, Tim here from Patrolapart. Do you want to lift the rear end of your Y62 Patrol? Today we're going to show you how to do it in a few easy steps with our K-frame spacer kit. A modular setup that lets you choose between 8, 16mm or stack them for 24mm of rear lift. The install is quick and easy, done in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to lower your spare wheel slightly. It doesn't need to be all the way down, just a little bit. Remove the wheels. Loosen the K-frame on the opposite side to allow it to drop. On the side you're working on, remove one bolt and then replace it with a longer bolt. This will help you lower the K-frame and prevent it from moving around. After that, remove all the other bolts on that side. The slits on the plates are to the front of the vehicle. Apply some pressure with a bar to slide the packers in. Since we chose the highest setting, this will require a little bit more force. Once the packers are in place, you can install the rest of the bolts, remembering to keep them loose. Once you've completed these steps, repeat the process on the other side. Once both sides are installed, do up all the bolts. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and if you're shopping for patrol parts, make sure you check out patrolapart.com.au.